Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to test your gamepad on your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. Okay, so if you'd like to begin, you would need to go to all the apps and find Gamepad Tester. Click on it, just open it, and now you're in there, but I'll actually need to close it and reopen it because I messed it up a little bit. And now you're in the all buttons section at first, so you can just try messing around with the buttons. You can see they appear and show you the value they actually give. You can see, I forgot these buttons aren't accounted. Now these buttons as well, these ones, they also give the value, right? So that is really great, I think. But you also get the gamepad option. You can test out the buttons. You can see the force. For these ones you can see they are pressed. For these ones you can see everything here, basically like that. Then there's all axis, and you can also see all axis of like everything. So that is also quite great. And you can go to joystick dead zones and actually see the dead zones of your joystick, but the app sometimes lags. Yeah, you can see, you can test them out. You can go to joystick smoothness and see the smoothness of your joysticks, but you can see the app doesn't like me at all. You can also go to joystick axis and see the axis of the joysticks and everything basically. Then triggers, you can test out your triggers to see if there's a value that doesn't get recorded, if there's a place that doesn't get recorded by your device. And you can see some more things. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.